Guys, this is Vijay. Again came back with one short video. Today we are going to discuss about YouTube SEO template because everyone will create videos even though they are struggling with low views. My I created a free one YouTube SEO template for 2025 helps you go viral. Get perfectly optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Think of SEO as the map that helps people to find your video. A good title, description, and the right keywords are the street signs that lead viewers directly to you. So, without wasting any time, let's how to use this template. It is as simple as one, two, three. Just copy the entire template and paste it in your LLM. So we will go through step by step. Okay. Then in this case, I am using Gemini. Okay. Just click on Gemini. Click on Google Gemini. Okay. To get this template, I will share the link of my Medium post so that you can copy that paste. I am also doing the same thing. Just click on my Medium post in the description. You will redirect to here. And now the magic SEO template is here. See here. This is the magic SEO template. You copy from here. Analyze the following YouTube video script and just copy all the things from here to till end of the template. Okay, here up to here. Just Control C and go to Google Gemini and this is the template. Okay, now you have to paste your video topic. For my sake, here I will paste my video topic. For this, for example, I am using again the medium post only. The example topic is here. See here. I want to created a YouTube video. I created a YouTube video on these things. Okay. See here. Okay. This is the video topic. Just I will paste here. That's it. Then click on submit. See here. You will get a. You see here. I only told I have given the tools names only, but here you see boost productivity top 10 AI tools for to the title. This is the title, and next see here top 10 AI tools here using the primary keyword, but here it has used the secondary keyword as best AI tools because we don't want to think everything the AI or Gemini will do. And see here, and this given the description of more than 200 characters, and also you can place your links here. Just copy the whole thing, and also it has given the 15 hashtags, and the first three hashtags are more powerful. And again YouTube keywords, you need to copy all these keywords in YouTube keyword section, and up from description here you have to copy this description in your YouTube description and the title. I hope so. This video find informative. If you found this informative, please give me a like, subscribe, and share in your community. Thanks for watching.